work in a mixed animal veterinary practice. We have five veterinarians here. There's 4 partners. We do primarily food animal work. We do a little bit of small animal, but it's only about 5% of our business. We are probably about a third beef, a third dairy, and a third swine. I do probably 85% of the swine work out of our clinic, but we also have a lot of beef, cow, calf, feedlot, and dairy work, so I have to do a little bit of all those things, but primarily swine.
Antibiotic usage in herd health remains a hot-button issue for the industry and is not one Dr. Bowden takes lightly.
I think the biggest part of that for what I do is having a clinical diagnosis of disease. And we utilize the Iowa State Diagnostic Lab on a daily basis almost. And I'm a firm believer that diagnostics are crucial to our success. And so I feel like we are not just shooting from the hip when we give antibiotics. We understand what the disease is. Maybe we have a sensitivity profile on it. We know what drugs work and which ones don't. And so I feel like that's an integral part of what I do. And then of course withdrawal times are a big part of that too. And we try to publish things that have withdrawal times on them, but I get a lot of phone calls still. These are 260-pound pigs, they're coughing. What can I do? What can't I do? So we watch withdrawals close.
Trish and Aaron Cook told us this, quote, Dr. Bowden has worked tirelessly with producers to improve the productivity of their farms, whether it's pregnancy checks, diagnostics, health plans, or improving production techniques. He does whatever he can to help his clients achieve their goals. Dr. Bowden has worked as a veterinarian for 10 years, but grew up in agriculture learning under the guidance of his father, who was also a veterinarian. Bowden gives us his analogy of what it has felt like all these years to be involved in such a rewarding industry.
Just a really small cog in a huge wheel. But, you feel like you're having an impact on it. Managing health is such a huge part of people's success and viability. So I think food supply is such a big deal with the population growing the way it is, and if somebody isn't there to help manage the health and security of that, then there's going to be some problems.
The hog industry is an exciting place to be and a tight-knit group, as highlighted by Dr. Bowden.
It's really a tight-knit industry, I think. Once you enter it, there's so many people you know or have met in the past. I did an internship at Christensen Farms in 2004 when I was an undergrad, and some of those people that were in that program with me, I've run into them at Iowa Select, or it's just crazy where you see some of these people and you remember who they are, and so the people are a big part of that. Just in general, the people are pretty good to work for, I'd say.